There's another garage door here in this old building, which used to be a robotic storage. There's another one over there, which is an automatic. I gotta make this video quick because my battery's at 2%. So I'm gonna put this down, bring it back up. It's really dark in here, so I gotta make this video quick. I'm very flashing my battery. Put it back up. There, close it. Stop. Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm going to try to make it. My battery's very low. Put it back up. See? Alright. Put it back up and leave it up, and that's going to be it. There's another one over there. That one does not have a motor, so I'm not going to be able to run that one because it's not automatic. See, there's the oven over there, and that's it.